Weapons up! We'll find our own route off the Death Star. Our ships are lost, so we'll need to locate a new one and organize a launch. 2 targets for now. Shut down the tractor beam's generator and control station, and expect opposition.
Tractor beam control going down!
Wait for the shutdown to finish.
Generator shutting down! Come on, come on!
Good work. Push back those Imperials. I have an idea. All right. We've got to shut down the turbolasers in this sector to fly out of here. But there's something else. We can sabotage the main weapon, the planet killer. Controls are close by. Go.
Shutting down, but it won't be fast.
Hold position, hold position.
Pretty straightforward.
We'll try to take it!
That's the turbolasers dealt with. Move on to the main weapon.
Main weapon shutdown started!
Tear out the wires if you have to.
That's the main weapon! Shutting the power down!
All right. If we go down now, at least that planet killer weapon dies with us. Blast those troopers, and we head for Ambush. There's a shuttle force nearby. You'll have to activate the elevator to summon it and bring the hangar controls online. But we have a chance. That's all we've ever needed.
Prepping the hangar! Controls coming online!
You go first.
Can't get our shuttle! Trying to activate the elevator.
Shuttle is ready for launch. Heading over with a squad.